Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to upload videos longer than 60 seconds on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app, then tap the post icon or plus icon to create a new post. In the bottom right of the screen, select post to upload any video up to 15 minutes long or choose reel to upload a vertical video up to 90 seconds long. Select the longer form video you want to upload from your camera roll. Then, edit the video with filters, captions, stickers, and music, or edit the length of the video before posting by tapping the trim button. And click next and add the text caption, location, topics, or to tag other accounts. When ready, tap share to publish your video to Instagram. Easy enough, right? Instagram has recently streamlined how videos get posted to the platform, but there are still a few details to keep in mind when posting long-form video. The maximum length of a video on Instagram depends on the type of video you post, how you upload the video, and even whether you post via desktop or mobile. But don't worry, we'll cover everything there is to know in this brief guide. But how long can videos be on Instagram? On Instagram posts, videos posted to the feed can be up to 60 minutes when posted from the desktop or 15 minutes long when posted via the Instagram mobile app. In Instagram Reels can be up to 90 seconds long. In Instagram Stories can be up to 60 seconds long. And Instagram Live recordings can be up to 4 hours long. Currently, Instagram's Companions app Threads also supports video posts. Videos on Threads can be up to 5 minutes long, and there's no distinction around video types as there is on Instagram. If you need to edit your video down to one of those limits, you have two main options. Trim the overall length of your video. Trim your content with Instagram. Trim your content with a video editor. And cut out clips from your long-form videos. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos. And see you guys for the next videos.